Hello everyone, I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry. We warmly welcome you to Swar Talk Show, where we bring you insightful conversations with leading personalities from the gems and jewelry industry. We are thrilled to announce that GJS Hamara Apna Show is back with its Diwali edition, taking place from the 25th to the 28th of September 2024 at the world-class Geo World Convention Center, Mumbai. Today, we are honored to have with us Mr. Chandu Siroya, Managing Director, Siroya Jewellers LLC and Vice Chairman, Dubai Gold and Jewelry Group. We welcome you, Chanduji, to our talk show.
Hello, Swara. You look amazing today.
Namaste, Chanduji. Thank you so much for the compliment. You are looking great too. How are you doing today?
First of all, namaste. I am fine, thank you.
Glad to know. So, Chanduji, since GJS Hamara Apna Show is just scheduled before the festivities and the wedding season, how excited are you for the upcoming GJS Diwali edition?
See, the show couldn't have been at a better time because right now the jewelry markets in India, especially in India, are booming. And there's a lot of demand for jewelry in view of the recent reduction of the import duties and the reduction of the prices in India. So I think it's a fantastic period to be in. And there have been some more shows in the past, but I think just before the festive season, everybody launching their new products, new lines of jewelry is going to be very, very exciting. Yeah, we are all waiting for it.
Very rightly said, Chanduji. We are very much excited to witness Hamara Apna Show. Chanduji, since you serve both the set of consumers, India as well as international, what variety of jewelry do you keep in your showroom?
You see, the current trend is to try and find jewelry which is going to be lighter in weight because of the international gold price going up to over $2,550 as we stand today. So I think the focus and the trend is going to be for lighter weight jewelry. Also, there is a trend to have some gemstones, some colors in the jewelry. Color is the color of the season right now. So I think, yes, we are going to be looking at acquiring or identifying some suppliers, even new suppliers who can give us lightweight jewelry which are trendy, which will be appealing to the young and the Gen Z.
All right, so Chanduji, how will GJS help your brand in terms of innovation as well as in replenishing your jewelry requirements?
See, the GJS show is a little different because there's a lot of jewelers who take part here, manufacturers who take part here, who are not in the mainstream shows also. So I think it becomes a very good combination of the seasoned players and the newbies both coming together. The seasoned players already know what is in the market and what they want to offer. But the new jewelers who join and the new manufacturers, the younger generation manufacturers who join into this show provide the new breadth and the new colors, the new style to the jewelry market. So I am pretty excited. We're waiting for the new collections to be launched by the jewelers who are going to be participating in first or second time.
The exhibitors at GJS will also be eagerly waiting and excited to invite you and meet you. Chanduji, we would also love to know that how is the market of lab-grown diamonds doing in Dubai? And what feedback are you receiving from the consumers?
You see, the lab-grown markets are very challenging right now because in view of the depletion in the pricing. But the demand is improving, the demand is increasing. Earlier, everybody was not stocking lab-grown diamonds. They were afraid to stock lab-grown diamonds. But today, many jewelers offer lab-grown as one more variety of jewelry. See, I believe that the lab-grown diamonds is going to be one more variety like color stones. We offer sale of diamond jewelry, we offer sale of color stone jewelry, we offer sale of zirconium jewelry, we offer sale of plain gold jewelry. So this is one more addition which is unique and which is exactly like the diamonds but at a much lower price. So it is very exciting for new customers who want to wear diamonds but have not been able to afford it so far. They all join into this, I would say, new discovery, which is the lab-grown diamond jewelry, and many new players are entering the market every day, especially because now the price is so affordable that Anybody could buy a 1 carat ring, which used to be a dream for many. Today it is very, very affordable. So it is actually democratization of the diamond jewelry. And I believe both of them are going to stay. Both of them are going to work in tandem. And people who can afford the natural diamonds will go for natural diamonds. People who would love to wear diamonds but cannot afford to wear the natural diamonds will go for lab-grown diamonds. And I think they are all going to work hand in hand.
Thank you so much for your valuable insights, Chanduji. Well, with this, we come to an end of this interactive session. It was lovely talking to you, Chanduji.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be here with all our jewelry friends in India and the world. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to interacting once again soon.
Thank you so much, Chanduji. Ladies and gentlemen, you were listening to Mr. Chandu Siroya, Managing Director, Siroya Jewelers LLC and Vice Chairman, Dubai Gold and Jewelry Group. Do not miss the delivery show, GJS Hamara Apna Show from 25th to 28th September 2024 at Geo World Convention Center. I, Swara, world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry, and fashion industry sign off. Take care, God bless.